finding the best deals on the PlayStation 5 after the price hike in Europe and beyond. In this video, you'll explore the recent decision by Sony to hike PlayStation 5 prices and what it means for the gaming community. Sony's decision to increase the prices of the PlayStation 5 in Europe and beyond has been a hot topic lately. The main reason behind this price hike is inflation, which has been affecting production costs and market demand. As a result, Sony has had to adjust the prices of their consoles to keep up with the rising costs. This decision is likely to have a significant impact on the gaming community, particularly for those who have been waiting to get their hands on the console. The price increase is also expected to affect the sales of the console, with some gamers potentially turning to other options. Production costs have also played a significant role in Sony's decision to hike prices. The cost of components, such as semiconductors, has increased significantly, making it more expensive for Sony to produce the consoles. Furthermore, the ongoing global chip shortage has also contributed to the increase in production costs. Market demand has also been a factor, with the consoles still being in high demand despite being released a few years ago. This demand has allowed Sony to increase prices without fearing a significant drop in sales. The price hike has also been influenced by the current market conditions, with many other electronics companies increasing their prices due to inflation and production costs. Sony is not alone in this decision, and it's likely that other console manufacturers will follow suit. The company has to balance its prices with the need to remain competitive in the market, and the price hike is a way for Sony to maintain its profit margins. This decision is likely to have a ripple effect on the gaming industry, with other companies potentially increasing their prices as well. The reaction from the gaming community has been mixed, with some gamers understanding the reasons behind the price hike and others feeling that Sony is taking advantage of its customers. Some gamers have expressed frustration, feeling that the price hike is unfair, especially for those who have been waiting to buy the console. The price hike has also sparked a debate about the affordability of gaming consoles and the impact of inflation on the gaming industry. The price hike could have significant implications for the gaming community, particularly for those who have been waiting to get their hands on the console. The increased price may deter some gamers from buying the console, potentially affecting sales. The competitive landscape with other consoles may also be affected, with some gamers potentially turning to other options. Gamer sentiment is also likely to be impacted, with some gamers feeling that Sony is no longer the affordable option it once was. The price hike may also affect the sales of games and accessories for the console, as gamers may be less likely to spend money on additional content. The overall gaming experience may also be impacted, as gamers may be less likely to invest in the console and its ecosystem. The price hike is likely to lead to a decrease in sales, at least in the short term, as gamers adjust to the new prices. The increased price may also lead to a shift in the gaming market, with some gamers potentially turning to PC gaming or other consoles. The price hike may also affect the adoption of new gaming technologies, such as virtual reality and cloud gaming. Gamer sentiment is likely to be impacted, with some gamers feeling that Sony is no longer the leader in the gaming industry. The most surprising reactions have come from industry experts, who have expressed concerns about the impact of the price hike on the gaming industry. Some experts have predicted that the price hike will lead to a decline in sales, while others have expressed concerns about the affordability of gaming consoles. The reaction from the gaming community has also been surprising, with some gamers expressing frustration and anger at the price hike. The reaction from other console manufacturers has also been interesting, with some companies expressing concerns about the impact of the price hike on the market. Some companies have hinted that they may not follow Sony's lead, and instead may try to undercut them on price. The price hike has sparked a debate about the future of the gaming industry, with some experts predicting that the industry will continue to grow despite the price hike. The price hike has also sparked a debate about the role of Sony in the gaming industry, with some experts questioning whether the company is still committed to its customers. The reaction from gamers has been mixed, with some expressing loyalty to the brand and others expressing frustration. The price hike has also raised questions about the future of the PlayStation brand, with some experts predicting that the brand may suffer as a result of the price hike. Some industry experts have also praised Sony's decision, saying that it's a necessary step to ensure the company's profitability. The price hike has also been seen as a way for Sony to invest in new technologies and improve its gaming ecosystem. The reaction from the gaming community has been surprising, with some gamers expressing understanding and support for Sony's decision. In summary, Sony's decision to hike PlayStation 5 prices in Europe and beyond is a significant move that will have a major impact on the gaming community. Join the conversation by sharing your thoughts on the price hike in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for the latest gaming news.